Last Friday was the second annual Blacklight Dance. Let's take a look at the assembly. It started with the national anthem sung by the Oak Street Singers. And then a performance by Oak Street Singers before they went off to competition in California. And then the mic was handed over.
But before, let's give that same energy to Blacklight and Sarton with some words of recognition.
So I have some announcements.
Sarton recognized some of the recent academic achievements made. Blacklight acknowledged recent athletic achievements made by some impressive athletes. After that was the championship powder puff volleyball game between senior and junior boys.
If the seniors win, everybody on this side will be getting free Zaxby sandwich. And if the juniors win, everybody on that side will be getting free Zaxby sandwich.
Juniors and freshmen ended up winning a free Zaxby's chicken sandwich with the final score being 16-24. It was great to see the school come together to have fun. Congrats to Student Council on an awesome assembly.